The holiday shopping season is here, and I've got a secret for you. It is the best time of year to shop for deals for the family historian on your Christmas shopping list. And it's a great time of year to pick up great deals on products that you use in your genealogy research as well. So let's get shopping. Hey there, if we haven't met before, I am Lisa with Are You My Cousin? And this genealogy channel is designed to help you find your ancestors, grow your family tree, and not get overwhelmed in the process. And so if it sounds like your cup of tea, you're in the right place. Now the holidays are coming, they're coming fast, and I'm going to help you with your holiday shopping. And if your holiday shopping includes shopping for yourself, that's okay. It'll be our little secret because I shop for myself during the holidays as well. And so today I'm going to share with you 6 of my favorite genealogy gift ideas for that family historian on your Christmas list. Now, in full disclosure, to let you know, I am an affiliate for many of the companies and the items that I will be sharing below. That means there is no extra cost to you should you purchase any of these, but it does mean it helps keep the lights on here at Are You My Cousin? So let's start with the big one right off the bat. If you really want to go all out and you want to bring the family with you, why not try a genealogy cruise? Are You My Cousin is cruising on Royal Caribbean starting April 27th. We are heading to the ABC Islands. That would be Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao. I am thrilled to be able to set sail, share genealogy lectures on how to unstick your genealogy research, and enjoy these beautiful islands that we're going to visit. So if you'd like to learn more about that, I will have the link for you down below in the description. In fact, you will find links to everything that I mentioned today in the description below. Next up, DNA kits. Guys, this is the best time of year to buy DNA test kits. So if that person on your list is looking for DNA tests, they are trying to build out and test more family members, this is the time to buy the DNA test kits. This time of year, they are at the lowest that I ever see them. And so again, I will have the links for you down there below, but we have the Ancestry.com DNA test kit, MyHeritage DNA test kit, 23andMe, and Family Tree test kit. So they are all out there, and this is a fabulous time to pick them up. Now, a very practical idea that would be fabulous for any genealogy researcher or really even family member who does a lot of online computer things would be an external hard drive. This is the one that I have. It is a Lacey external hard drive. It is a solid one. It's the one I throw in my backpack when I'm heading off to rootstock conferences, when I'm heading off to the archives. This is a great, it's a sturdy hard drive, and I keep my things safe and backed up here. I have a lot of photos, I have a lot of videos, I have a lot of records certainly from my genealogy, as many of us do. And so I want to keep them safe. And so absolutely I back up in the cloud, I back things up certainly on my computer, but then I also back up on an external hard drive. So just in case something happens to my laptop, to my computer, or I can't access the cloud for whatever reason, I still have a copy of those records, those photographs, and things that I use on my external hard drive. So I do recommend having one of these. After all, we have worked too hard on our research to risk losing it. Another really great option for both the genealogist, family historian, and the non-genealogist in the family as well is VividPix Restore software. VividPix is my go-to photo editing software that I use at home for my photographs, but I also use it for documents. It is a fabulous feature to be able to upload documents that perhaps are difficult to read. Then I can clean them up, adjust the contrast, adjust the shadows, and perhaps be able to read them a little bit easier. This is also my go-to program when I'm editing those photographs because I can add that metadata to my photographs easily, and I know that it stays with them. Now I'm curious. Now let me know in the comments below, what are you hoping the genealogy Santa Claus brings to you this holiday season? Okay, so let's get back to shopping. The next item that I recommend is actually more of a group of items that I would recommend, and that would be getting someone a gift subscription or a subscription to one of the major genealogy databases, Ancestry.com, MyHeritage, Find My Past. If you are a researcher, having access to these databases is crucial oftentimes to breaking down our family brick walls. And well, don't forget, you can also gift yourself. So I happened to see this on Etsy recently, and it is actually a bracelet. It could be a necklace as well, that features the handwriting of an ancestor or a loved one. I thought this was a fabulous idea to be able to honor past generations in a piece of jewelry. And so I wanted to list that out and share that to you as well, because I just think what a fabulous idea, and I would love to do that myself. So there you have it. There's a half dozen gift ideas that for the genealogy family historian on your holiday shopping list. Once again, I've got all the links below in the description. Plus, if you want to find more, I have 40 more ideas over on the website, and I'll have a link to that post in the description as well. Now, if you would like to learn more tips, tricks, and strategies for finding your ancestors, be sure and watch the video on your screen now.